What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys all know, we're in this season which I like to call the most extra season of the year, because obviously we have all the glitz and the glam and the sequins and what's not. So obviously it will only make sense to make, you know, such an extra gift wrapping ideas. So today we're doing that. And I thought that this year, you know, it will be really great to make some holiday content. As you guys will remember, I did this customs idea back in Halloween and I was like super stoked about it, and so did you guys. So today we are doing gift wrapping ideas for this, you know, Christmas or New Year's Eve, even though I don't really personally celebrate Christmas and I wanted to do something for Hanukkah as well. But today, unfortunately, is the last day of Hanukkah, so there is nothing left in stores, which honestly makes me so happy as well. But anyways, without further ado, let's just get this Jingle Bell season. So for my first gift, I chose this really cute glitter wrapping paper. And so as you guys can see, I find this really cute ornament in Target. This was like in the $3 section kind of a thing. All I did, I took my glue gun as per usual and I just glue it in, and there you have it. Look how cute. All you need is this photo, so don't forget that. I didn't have any, but there it is.
I don't want a lot for Christmas.
So for gift number 2, all you're gonna need is this really innocent, you know, brown box. I know it looks innocent, but trust me, it will not look innocent by the end of this gifting wrap thing. And so you also gonna need this snow spray, which I found at Michael's. I really don't know how much I paid for that, but you know, probably expensive. And so you're gonna shake it and you're gonna spray your box really good until you get something beautiful like that. And once this one is ready to go, you're gonna take your sleigh and you're gonna run it around so that you can have the trace so it looks, you know, more realistic. You're gonna take your glue gun and you're gonna start gluing that to the box to make something even more beautiful, just like this. And so you're gonna take the deers. I bought these two at the dollar store or the Dollar Tree, I'm not really sure. Well, this is actually the same, I meant the 99-cent store. And you're gonna glue those as well to the box until you get something gorgeous and stunning such as this one. I mean, can you guys, what else do you want for Christmas if not this box? So for this next gift, I'm using this black wrapping paper, and I'm not really sure what's the actual name for this Christmas decor that I got from Joanne, but as you guys can see here, basically all I did, I just wrapped it around the box, and it is on a wire kind of a thing, so it's not too hard to wrap it around and actually make it stick together. This is like super easy. And so I took some acorns that are covered with some fake snow, and there is that. Look how beautiful and simple and still bougie that gift wrap is. So for gift number 4, we are also using this brown wrapping paper. You guys, this has been sold out everywhere, so make sure you get it somewhere where you can. And I also take this jute cord, and basically all I do, I just wrap it around the box, so there is nothing special here. And as you guys can see, it's already ready to go. This is so easy, I promise you. By the way, jute cord is like so cheap. And I'm taking this Christmas joy of like kind of an ornament that I got at Michael's, and I just glue it into the box. And last thing last, I'm taking those really cute berries and I shove them inside, and that is pretty much it. Look at this, you guys. So next up we have once again this gold glitter kind of wrapping paper. And so all I did, I took these 2 garland wires and I attached them together into something that looks like a round circle accent kind of thing, the one that you put on your door on Christmas. I made sure, you know, it fit the box that I was putting that on, and I glue it together once it was ready with some hot glue to make sure that it's safe and secure. And last but not least, I took this deer that I found at the dollar store, so obviously this was $1, as you guys understand, and that's pretty much it. I took some hot glue, I added that together, and look at this, you guys. So next up we we have another brown gift wrapping paper. And so all I did, once again, I took this jute cord. You guys can do so many things with that alone. So honestly, this will be your cheaper option. And so as you can see, I made sure I have a thicker band kind of a thing. I took this really cute gold leaf that I found at Michael's. This was once again like, you know, 70% off, so it was $1. I took these 2 cinnamon kind of sticks. I wrapped them all together so it's like safe and secure. Once again, made this really cute tie bow, and I added that to the leaves, and obviously with some hot glue, and that is pretty much it. Look how extra and bougie we are looking here.
I won't even wish for snow. I'm just gonna keep on waiting.
Moving on to my next one, I'm using this graphic wrapping paper, which is like gold metallic, super pretty, and I'm taking another accent, like a mini one that I found at the Dollar Tree, and this one had like a fake snow on it, so it was super cute. I glued that together, and of course I added some bells, which once again I found at the 99-cent store because it's not gonna be Jingle Bell season without it. And there you go, look how cute that is. Moving on to gift number 8, and I'm using once again this black wrapping paper. I'm taking this white ribbon. This is like a satin one that I found at Michael's. This was in the, you know, dollar section of Michael's, whatever, sale section. And once again, I'm making this really cute tie knot, and I'm taking those stars, which is again I found at the Dollar Tree, and I'm taking my hot glue gun. I glue it to the top. Basically, this is the best explanation that I can make. You can guys see it obviously, and I'm using this initial one. So obviously, as you guys all know, my name is Liraz. Hi. So yeah, I'm using these. I'm gluing it together. By the way, Target have the cheapest one. This was $1 at Target. So there you have it. You guys are so not ready to see that. Okay, so here all I did basically, I have this brown box once again, and I have these mini trees which I found at Target, and I wanted to create something that looked like a forest, you know, kind of like giving it the vibe of Christmas. And so once again, I'm taking my snow spray and I sprayed everything, including the trees. This was super cute, and honestly, I just couldn't stop playing with this spray. And once this was ready to go, I took this truck and I just was trying to make the trail once again, but it didn't have wheels. So I took a toothpick and I made sure that I'm doing the details anyways, because details is important. And literally, this is like the most amazing gift wrapping of them all, and I'm obsessed with this. Right now we are moving to the grand finale, and for that I'm using this silver glitter wrapping paper, and once again I'm taking this white ribbon that I had before and I'm just wrapping it around the box, making this shape. I'm not really sure what's the actual term for that. And so I'm taking my jute cord to make something that looks like a loop, and I make sure that I glue it to the top of the box. And so I'm taking the garland once again and I just added that on top of that so that it looks something that looks like a mistletoe, even though it's really not a mistletoe. And so from here, last but not least, I'm taking this really cute skater that I found at Michael's. This was super cute, and I'm just gluing it to the box to make it look something, you know, that looks cute and adorable and something that you really want to get for Christmas. And honestly, this is again one of my favorite ones just because it had so much glitter and it was so extra and bougie and cute.
I hear those sleigh bells ringing, Santa, won't you bring me the one I really need?
So that completes this most extra gift wrapping ideas video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know in the comment section below which gift wrapping did you guys like best. Also, if you guys like this video, then please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below here. You guys, we are in Jingle Bell season kind of a thing, so make sure you hit that bell button right over there. And that is pretty much it. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye!